Every step you take, every word you speak, every action you perform, these are your footprints in this world. And while you may not see them, someone else will. They will follow your lead, learn from your examples, and most importantly, be influenced by the life you choose to live. What kind of footprints are you leaving? Is it one of purpose, of integrity, of resilience? Are you creating a legacy that will inspire others to dream bigger, work harder, and be better? Being a leader isn't just about title, it's about action. It's about showing up each day with unwavering dedication. It's about doing what is right, not just what is easy. It's about being trustworthy and honorable when no one is watching, because in the end, your character is what defines you, not your circumstance. To be an advocate of progress means to lead by example. It means being industrious in the face of challenges and using your talent to build a future, not just for yourself, but also for others. It's about believing that every effort counts and each action, no matter how small, can have a ripple effect. Ask yourself, what will I be remembered for? How will my footprint influence those who follow me? Your life is your message to the world. Make it one of honesty, of action, of courage, and of progress. You are not just living for today, you are laying the foundation for the future. So, step forward with purpose. Be the change you wish to see. Leave a footprint that not only marks your path, but also light the way for others to follow. Your legacy is waiting.